flame. Ano mo? Ano mo? Ewan. Mag-anak sa... Asan yung bibig niya?
This interpretation
The character.
This presentation is dedicated to Mr. Philip Simon. We are grateful to have you as our literature professor.
Lucio. Kita lahat eh.
Walang kanila.
Tene!
One, two, three, go.
You're my honey bunch. Sugar plum. Plum, plum, plum. You're my sweetie pie. My happy cake. You're the apple of our eyes. Yes. And we love you so. And we want you to know that you're always be right here. And we want to say these words to you because you are so dear.
Ito naman. Will be proud. Hola, Jeff. Jeff, oh Jeff, sayo na Jeff. Jeff, maganda rin, Jeff. Sayang oh. Oh, game, game. Maganda rin, Jeff. Okay. Go, go. Yeah. Okay. Okay na. Jeff! Jeff, sayo na, Jeff! Matatapos na isa, ano? Bali-bali dancer. Balay, Jeff, gawin mo, balay. Ikaw, ikaw.
Ang behalf of our group, thank you po.
Okay.
Dahil, pasensya na po, hindi kami masyado prepared, pero ginawa namin to para sa inyo po. And that's all, thank you. We love you po. Thank you.
Thank you din.
Stop.